two recipes for today. Island eggs poached and then island eggs scrambled. Welcome back to Ginger's Kitchen. I hope it's welcome back. I hope you've had a chance to view some of my other breakfast recipes. While making my breakfast the other morning, I came up with this recipe and I hope you enjoy it.
To make that, and maybe you'll like it and hopefully you'll try it, and I'm going to get started.
The Island Eggs Benedict is going to be served over a Hawaiian sweet roll. When I was thinking about this, I thought, no, not an English muffin. And then it dawned on me how perfect to have it on a Hawaiian sweet roll. Now there's butter melting in the pan, and then I'm going to add the ingredients that I think turns this into an Island Eggs Benedict. Now I'm not going to waste your time while you watch butter melt. I'll be back. If you've ever watched my recipes in the past, you know I try not to waste your time. So the butter melted, and in the pan to the butter, I added eggnog. And to that eggnog, I'm going to add a little maple syrup.
Just a tiny bit, not a tiny bit, but just a little bit of maple syrup. And I'm going to cook that.
Now, in addition to the eggnog, I added a cap full of rum extract. You know, like vanilla extract, but this is rum extract. Just a little capful, the cap to the bottle. You don't need a lot because you're only making one egg. Now I'm going to heat that and cook the eggs right in that. I have crumbled some ham on each third of that roll.
And I'm going to do this two ways today. I'm going to poach one of the eggs in the liquid, and I'm also, then when that's done, I'm going to scramble and do one egg scrambled, one egg poached.
Now the egg is not frying, it's really poaching in the liquid. And make your egg as done as you need to do it for your safety. I'm not a professional chef and I don't give recommendations, and there's lots of places where you can find that information.
Now it's cooking. And all of that flavor. I have a little bit of salt and pepper that I'm also that I put on while I had the video stopped. You know me, I'm not gonna, if you've ever watched my recipes before, I try not to waste people's time. Everyone knows what an egg looks like when it's cooking.
Now, as you can see, I'm spooning that sauce over the top of the egg while it's cooking. And when it's cooked, I'm going to place it over two of those sweet rolls and ham. Also, while the video was stopped, I added a little bit of salt and pepper. Now on to the scrambled island egg. So to recap, there's a little bit of melted butter, a little bit of eggnog, some maple syrup, and a little bit of rum extract in the pan, and then the eggs go in. Just don't use too much eggnog in the scrambled recipe because you don't want mushy, watery eggs.
And now the eggs are actually going to scramble. Instead of using a little bit of milk with your scrambled eggs, these are going to scramble with the eggnog. So here's the scrambled eggs. Nice and moist. They're fully cooked, but they're nice and moist.
This is the scrambled island eggs with the roll and a little bit of ham. And this is the poached egg that was poached in the eggnog. And that's served over the other 2/3 of the Hawaiian roll and ham. Again, thank you for viewing these two recipes, and thank you for visiting Ginger's Kitchen. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on the G. Until next time.